Nasdaq jumped 1.63% overnight. Tech led the move. Nasdaq close. By 09:15 IST, you'll know 3 concrete price actions to watch for each stock. Overnight tech strength is the single biggest signal for India this morning. Traders should watch whether that momentum reaches IT names at the open or stalls. ILL highlight the ADR cues that map directly to NSE opens and the exact early market behaviors to observe. The strongest U.S. move was Nasdaq up 1.63% that boosts risk appetite for tech and growth names. S&P 500 also rose 0.8%, while the Dow was flat. This mix means large-cap cyclicals may not follow tech entirely. I should note FII overnight data is not available, so use ADRs and index signals as the cleaner guide into the open. In short, tech-friendly bias, but expect select divergence at 09:15 IST. Live now while you watch. Nikkei is up 1.45% and Seng is barely lower at -0.07%. Asian strength, led by Japan, supports risk-on flows into equities this morning. That helps sentiment for exporters and IT-linked names in India. Watch for follow-through buying in the first 20 minutes after 09:15 IST if Nikkei momentum holds. The biggest ADR move was ICICI Bank ADR, IBN ADR, down 1.6%, a clear signal ICICI Bank may open weaker. DRREDDY's ADR, RDY ADR, rose 0.66%, suggesting DRREDDY's could open higher. Infosys ADR in financial year ADR fell 0.62%, signaling a likely softer open for Infosys. ADRs are the clearest direct signals for individual NSE stocks. Today, use them to map likely opening direction and early gaps at 09:15 IST. ICICI Bank ADR fell 1.6% overnight on NYSE, implying a potential weaker open for ICICI Bank at 09:15 IST. On the NSE, it left off near yesterday's close, so any downside gap will be visible immediately. The level to watch is whether it opens below yesterday's close and how it trades in the first 30 minutes versus the opening price. If the gap follows through, volume and bid depth will confirm direction. Next, DRREDDY's ADR is giving a different signal. DRREDDY's ADR rose 0.66% overnight, so DRREDDY's looks set to open firm at 09:15 IST. It closed on the NSE near its prior level yesterday, so today's opening gap will be the immediate context. The level to watch is whether the opening price holds above that gap in the first 30 minutes and whether buyers appear on dips. Remember, ADR moves signal likely opens, but intraday liquidity and local news can change intraday direction. Infosys ADR fell 0.62% overnight on NYSE, signaling Infosys may open weaker at 09:15 IST. On the NSE, it finished yesterday close to prior trading levels, so watch the opening gap relative to that close. The level to watch is whether the stock holds its opening price in the first 30 minutes or slides further on early flow. Also watch weekly option strikes and early large prints for confirmation before taking action. Top 2 things to watch in the first 30 minutes after open. 1. Opening gaps versus yesterday's NSE closes for each watchlist stock and whether volume supports the gap. 2. Early breadth and directional strength in Nifty if tech leads, watch Infosys and IT peers. If banking pressure shows, watch ICICI Bank. If you found this useful, like and comment which stock you're watching today, and subscribe for the next pre-market brief. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.